All right, everybody, how y'all doing? So today we changed resorts and we are now at Art of Animation, and I wanted to record a little video to give you a tour of the Cars room that we're staying in. So this is the room. So most of the rooms here have this standard kind of configuration that you'll see. The only exception would be the aerial suites, and as Carla explained it to me, that's because those rooms were actually built pre 9/11, and then they halted construction here apparently, redid the rooms, and then built the Cars, Nemo, and Lion King rooms afterwards. So y'all can check the facts on that. I'm not really sure, but that's kind of what Carla tells me. So I'll give you a quick little tour here. So you've got a little bit of a workspace here, nice little painting with I forget those two guys, the guy and the girl's name, but I know one's Cheech Marin. You can see the table area. This is a folding bed. I'll show you what it looks like when it folds out here in a minute. Then you got the main living room. What really differentiates this room apart from the Mermaid Suite over at the other side of Art of Animation is the fact that that couch right there will actually fold out into a third bed. So you actually get 3 beds in this room as opposed to the standard 2 that you get at most of the other value resorts. Some interesting, kind of garage maintenance kind of setup. It looks like something I have in my home garage, but it fits with the theme. Not bad at all. We actually have this really nice view out onto the lake. This hourglass lake, if you're wondering. And if you're also wondering from a security perspective from your kids, these windows do not open. I tried. They've got a pin actually on the outside of them, if you can see that little pin right there. So I guess they only open from the outside. Fun little cozy cones. There's the Hornet. I forget what his full name or the character's racing name was. But nice little picture. Again, you got this nice little sink with a microwave. A little storage area underneath the sink with some paper towels, and then obviously a mini fridge with some stuff. You even have the little tea maker with the Twinings coffee there. And then we have over here, there's actually a second bedroom, which we'll come over to in a second, but we'll go back over here. This is kind of the bathroom area for what I'd say the kids, because Anna and Elsa will be sleeping in the fold-down beds. We may fold both of them out so they can sleep on their own. So then you get into the bathroom, which has this fun little shower curtain. We're going to open it up. It's not bad. Nice tile. It's actually in good shape, better than some of the stuff we've seen at the All-Star Sports Resort we stayed at last summer. We'll give you a little look at the shower. See, the fire engine is giving Lightning McQueen a little bit of a shower down in there. Pretty small area, but it's a value resort. That's fine. I do enjoy quite the heading on the vanity, which says the car wash. It's pretty appropriate for in here. So then we'll go over here into the main kind of bedroom, which is where we'll sleep, and kind of nice. Still have your own view. Pretty basic amenities. Got a TV, a set of drawers and everything that you would need. Again, the cones are present here. Nice sized bed, which will be much appreciated. And then the bathroom in here in the main area is actually substantially bigger than the one in the other area of the living room. So you get a lot more room to kind of walk in. You can kind of see substantial room. Still only one sink, which kind of stinks because Carla and I can't necessarily brush our teeth and do our hair and all that type of stuff. But it's all right. I'm glad to have the room. Pretty standard setup. You come in here. Shower's a walk-in shower. It's nice. It's got a full door, so it's not the shower curtain, and again, the kind of fun tile. That's nice. Really like it. So you have that is the bedroom and the bathroom. Fairly basic. Nothing amazing about them, but they look pretty nice. So let me show you how the bed works. So all you gotta do is kind of clear the chairs out from underneath the bed. And pull this one out. And pull this one out, and then you come up here and you got this handle. Now all you gotta do is kind of yank it down, and the bed will just fold, nice and easy. So you got the bed here. You'll notice there are no pillows because you'll take the pillows off of the main master bed, and there's 6 of them there, so you can still throw some pillows on here and the fold-out couch if you so need to. And then you can see the headboard. The girls will enjoy this when they see it. They haven't seen it yet, but you got Mater snoozing here. This is a fairly similar setup with the folding bed to what we saw at Pop Century when we stayed there earlier this week. So it gives the girls a fun little thing that they've enjoyed. They really enjoyed Pop Century with Pluto snoring and thinking about or dreaming about bones. So that's how the bedroom setup looks. Really nice. Nice to have the extra bed, especially if you're trying to sleep 5 or 6 people in this room to save a little bit of money. I'm not going to open that couch up because it actually is going to probably take a little bit more effort, and it's a bed. I think you kind of get the drift. So this is the cars room. Like I said, the standard setup for most of the rooms around Art of Animation, with the exception of the aerial rooms, which only come with 2 beds. So hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If you did, give it a like and share the page. Appreciate it. Thanks.